Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be showing you how to set up a Digiten semi-automatic water meter for use with your master bricks. So these water meters are simply going to let you dispense 2.6 liters of water into your bag with your master brick and allow you to create substrate with literally just this one piece. So this is going to be all you're going to need to get dispensing exact amounts in an automated fashion that's going to be simple, fast, and not complex. So let's get into it. Here's what you're gonna need, and here's what you need to order online. So these Digiten meters, they come on Amazon. We'll link that below. They're also found on eBay, a couple of other places, but they sell just the meter and they sell just the wiring. So make sure you're getting the meter, the wiring, and your solenoid valves and flow meters as well. So inside the box here, you're going to get your flow meter, you're going to get your wiring, you're going to get a 9-volt battery power source plug-in, you're going to get a water solenoid, and you're going to get a water flow meter. So all we're going to do here is compile these parts, link them up to our in-facility water system, and we're going to be ready to go in just a couple of minutes here with this. So other than the actual Digiten kit, this all comes together. Like I said, it's $65. You're not going to find automation for this cheap anywhere else, that's for sure. But we got our 2 vice grips here and a couple of PVC fittings. So 1/2 inch NMPT bushing to 3/4 inch, 2 MNMPT female double-side threaded PVC fittings, 1 3/4 inch coupler, and we're going right into PEX here. So we're going to use a shark bite. Shark bites are absolutely the way to go if you're looking for fast and efficient, but this is going to thread into our 1/2 inch MNPT. And then we have Blue Monster thread seal it. Wouldn't do this without it. It really just works awesome. And some pipe thread. So we're going to compile this and then we're going to hook it up and show you how to use it. Okay, so here you have it. It's pretty simple. You're plugged into power, your primary controller, and your electrical. It's simply, it's plug and play. This connector only fits into that connector. These only fit onto your solenoid valve. So we're ready to plug this in. We're ready to hook in our water end and our depositing end. And it's pretty much ready to go, and you can do this any way that you'd like. You can go from, PVC in the bottom, you can go PEX out, it doesn't matter. So right now what we're doing is we're bringing 1 water line in, and we're going to have 2 or even 3 or 4 meters working at once. So we can dispense 3 to 4 blocks at a time and quicken our process a little bit. So this is super easy. Check it out. In the next video, we'll be wiring this in and plumbing this in so that it's actually working and set up in our system. But this is the gist of what you're going to need. The applications for after this point are pretty much going to be determinant on your farm and what you have going on. So thanks for checking it out. The Digiten water meter. Check out the link below to find the meter. Give us a shout out, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Be looking out for the next one where we're going to go a little bit more in depth on using this and how we use it on our farm. Grow much more, y'all.
see how this evolves into an actual working system, adding on to another system, an existing system that you saw in that last video. So stick around, check it out. This is kind of the evolution of a product and evolution of the efficiency of a product. So we're really excited to continue to bring you more. We're working on right now an auto dispensing system. We're working on a meter in which we can just press one button and or a foot pedal and dispense 4 to 8 bags at once. So this is going to continue to get quicker, and I think the master brick is just going to get more and more efficient. So stick around, check it out. We shall talk soon.